Tonight, a medical billing company with clients who have all been suspended by the state of Arizona for suspected billing fraud tells their side of the story. It's a story that you'll only see on 12 News.
Last month, Attorney General Chris Mays said more than 100 different companies were engaged in widespread fraud, totaling hundreds of millions of dollars, some of them by transporting Native Americans for rehab treatment that they never received, all while raking in state money.
Team 12's William Pitts has the story.
My responsibility was to just get their business approved, being an agent, and that's all I did.
Mark Stanley says he's a vice president for ProMD Solutions. It's a company that's listed as a statutory agent for at least 10 companies that Access suspended for allegations of fraud. A statutory agent is the person or company that receives legal communications for a business.
That does not mean that if that organization is involved in any kind of illegal activity, that is going to affect the statutory agent. No, that's not the case.
But Mark says his company does a lot more than just accept mail. Let's say I wanted to turn this place into a rehab facility. Mark says all I would have to do is find the place, find a name, and then call him. He would take care of all the paperwork, the registration, and he would even do all the billing. Basically a turnkey rehab facility. When it comes to billing, medical companies have codes they have to put in, and Access has rules on how many times you can use a certain code. The doctor would theoretically log what service they performed and then send that to Mark. Mark then submits the bill to Access.
I'll make it very simple. I'm just a copy-paste machine.
Of the 10 businesses that ProMD helped incorporate, some are accused of billing for dead people, billing Access for more treatment than they're allowed. Mark says that's not his problem, it's his clients.
Whatever service in reference you were talking about, there is going to be a specific code for that.
They have all their billing together and then they just send it to you and you guys send it to Access?
That's right. I'll be very honest to say none of my clients have ever billed for more than Access guidelines. They've always billed for what Access has given you the guideline for. So that's what it is.
Because that's literally what they're being accused of doing, is billing a code more times than is permitted. That's literally what they're being accused of doing.
Well, that's what we are looking into. They are actually doing their internal audits as well.
Mark says he can't look at medical records to see if a patient really needs treatment or even if they're alive. But one of Mark's clients, the owner of Focus Family Services, emailed 12 News saying she looked at the billing she sent to ProMD and found no errors in it. She said she never even knew she was under investigation. Mark said they're working it out. William Pitts, 12 News.